Welcome to Brainitz. This quick tutorial is going to show you how to use the Brainitz system. Feel free to check through the home page and watch our demo over here. Pricing information is up at the top, but when you're ready to give it a shot, click the 60-day free trial. Just fill in the information. You can enter your own institution, or if you're just checking things out, click 60-day free trial user. From here, you're welcome to create your courses. Select the start and end date for your course. Take note of the access code. This is what will allow students to merge onto your course. From here, you're welcome to start adding lessons. You can view our lessons that are currently exist through the lesson library and take a look at the lessons here. You can preview the lessons. Alright, welcome to or preview our video library. If you'd like to load your own video, you're welcome to do so here by uploading a video from your desktop. If you have a YouTube video, there are a lot of different services on the web that will help you download those videos to your website in order to upload it to Brainitz. Or you can go back to your current course list and always add lessons directly from your current course list by clicking Add. From here, you're able to select from our lesson library or create a new lesson. Selecting from the lesson library will allow you to access all the lessons that you previously saw in the lesson library. From there, you simply pick a start and end date for your lesson. Now you've created your first lesson. You are not able to edit the lessons from our lesson library as you did not create that lesson and that lesson pre-exists. You can preview that lesson. Alright, welcome to semicolons, colons, and dashes. This is going to be this off with the very first question. If the students get the question right, they move forward. If the students get the question wrong, it kicks them back to just after the previous question, or in this case, the beginning of the video, as no other questions had appeared just yet. When students get the question right, they simply move on to the video to the next question. If students want to rewatch a section of the video, they're always welcome to hit rewind, which will take them back to the last question. They can also suspend their progress and continue at another time by clicking suspend. It's important to note that students must hit suspend for their progress to be saved. If you do not see a lesson that you like from the lesson library, you're always welcome to create your own lessons, which is what most of the teachers will do. You can preview our video library, which are videos that teachers have previously uploaded. If you don't see a video that fits your needs, you're always welcome to upload your own, which is what most teachers will do. Put in a title that makes it easy to understand what your lesson's about. Tags are single words separated by commas that allow teachers to more easily search for lessons of a certain topic. From there, select your topic. Occasionally, you may need to resize a pop-up or a screen by simply hitting Ctrl- or Ctrl+. The level is the grade in which your lesson is most appropriate for. If you select Public, your video and lesson will be available for other teachers to share across the platform. You can select Private if you'd like to be the only one to be able to access your videos or lessons. A brief description is again helpful to allow other individuals to know what your lesson's about. You've chosen your lesson here, given it all the descriptions needed. Now hit Submit to upload the video to the video library. It's recommended that videos are under 20 megabytes. Also, all videos must be saved as an MP4 file, which is a standard video file. Once your video has been successfully uploaded, you'll see it here in the dialog box. You must exit out of the video library and re-enter to see your video. It will be the last one in the video library. You can preview it. Alright, today we're going to talk about concise and select it to add it to your lesson. Your lesson will be publicly available unless you choose to click the private button. Give a start and end date for your specific lesson and add lesson to course. You'll be immediately taken to the editing page, which is where you'll insert your questions. Alright, today we're going to talk about concise language and how to hit pause at any time in the Insert Question button. You can choose from multiple choice, true, false, short answer essay, which will give students immediate feedback to the quality of their answer and show them a sample correct answer. Or simply have a message pop up.
Some of the tests you guys are going to be taking. We did that pre-test.
You can watch the video all the way through, or move the scrubber bar as you see fit to where you want to insert more questions. You can add up to 8 possible responses. It is recommended to add 6, as some students may try to game the system by simply guessing correct answers until they get the question right. It's important to ask questions that are based upon the previous information that you talked about in the video. This way, when the students are kicked back, they're able to understand what they got wrong and get the question right the next time. Here's an example of a short answer essay that you might ask. You can add questions throughout the video. When you're done adding questions, simply exit out by clicking the teacher button. No need to hit save. This will take you back to your course list. From there, you can go into your specific course, view your lessons, and here's the one that we just created. You're able to view it from a student perspective, and this is exactly what the student will see when they watch the video.
Concise language and how to identify that specifically for the test. You need to be very frank. Some of the tests you guys are going to be.
If you want to create another course, simply do so here. Maybe 9th grade English honors. And if you want to add a new lesson, simply click on the lessons and add a new lesson here. The next lesson will appear below your previous one. When you're ready for students to join your class, remember, take note of the access code, and this is what will give students permission to enter your class. Let's take a look at how a student will access your class. Students will simply register, fill in the information. If you have students under the age of 13, you must contact Brainitz and show that your school has parental approval for students to register for online programs. The students will click the institution that you registered for, have the student click Add Class, select the teacher from your institution, in this case, 60-day free trial user. Select the current course and the course code that relates to that course. The student will automatically be enrolled in that class and see all the lessons that they need to take from that class. They'll simply click the Enroll button or Concise Language to be taken to the player, at which time they'll play the lesson and answer the questions as they go.
About consistently for the test, you need to be very frank. Some of the tests stuff, but unless it serves an...
If the student gets the question wrong, they're simply taken back to after the last previously correct answered question. In this case, the previous question was a message.
You guys are going to be taking the actual purpose.
When short answer questions come up, the students will type in their response, hit submit, and see how their answer was graded against the sample answer. An exact match would receive a 1.0. This is a nice way for students to get quick feedback on their short answer essays.
Reduce clauses. 1871.
When your students reach the end of the lesson complete pop-up will show. It's important that they hit buy and do not simply exit out of the program. Now that they've completed the lesson, their status turns to complete. If they were to pause the lesson in the middle and come back to it another time, it would say in progress. The student platform is as simple as that. As a teacher, if you'd like to check the student's progress, simply log in. You can view the records of every student enrolled in that class. In this case, there's just the one. Or you can go to the specific lesson and view the records of that specific lesson. Teachers that pay for a subscription will have the option in this location here to look up students' passwords in case they forget it. From there, you can assign students grades for completing the lesson as you see fit. We hope you enjoy using Brainitz. If you have any questions, please call or email us at any time. Thank you so much.